The rechargeable handheld vacuum from Intex makes maintenance and spot cleaning of your pool or spa easier than ever. It's convenient, portable. Self-contained vacuum comes complete with everything you need for cleaning pools and spas up to 18 feet in diameter. This lightweight vacuum is easy to use and features an aluminum telescoping pole that is adjustable up to 94 inches in length with 2 interchangeable brush heads. The handheld vacuum is designed using strong, built-in NiMH rechargeable batteries to provide powerful suction capabilities. This built-to-last handheld vacuum includes an automatic shut-off feature to protect the vacuum from dry running when not submerged in water and an IPX8 waterproof switch. The handheld vacuum from Intex even accommodates longer and wider telescoping aluminum poles using the included shaft adapter. The vacuum quickly recharges in approximately 50 minutes using the included USB cable, designed for use in Intex metal frame pools, ultra frame pools, easy set pools, pure spas, and more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Brush heads. 2 interchangeable brush heads included. Number 2. Rechargeable NiMH battery. Strong built-in NiMH rechargeable battery for 50 minutes. Recharge provides high-performance suction power. Number 3. USB cable. USB cable included for convenient recharging, plug not included. Number 4. Telescoping pole. Includes a 94 inches lightweight telescoping aluminum pole. Number 5. Strong, built-in NiMH rechargeable batteries for powerful suction capability. Number 6. Suitable for use with all pure spas and above-ground pools up to 18 feet in diameter. Number 7. Includes 2 interchangeable brush heads. USB cable for recharging, 94 inches lightweight telescoping aluminum shaft, and shaft adapter to fit longer, wider telescoping aluminum shaft. Number 8. Automatic shutoff feature when the vacuum is not submerged in water. IPX8 waterproof switch for added protection against water submersion. Number 9. Keep pool water clean by vacuuming out dirt and debris. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.